Hello, loves. In today's video, we're going to talk about why your videos that you're shooting on your smartphone, specifically the iPhone, are getting cut off when uploaded to Etsy's new Explore feature. So about 2 months ago, Etsy started beta testing on the new Explore feature. It basically kind of serves like social media for Etsy. It shows up kind of like a feed would, kind of similar to Reels or TikTok. This feature was by invite only to specific sellers who are super active on social. My best guess is that you were invited based on getting a lot of traffic from social to Etsy. So if you want more information about the actual feature and everything that comes along with it, I do have a video specific to that I did with two other experts, and that is available in the description below this video. So Etsy did announce a few days ago that they have had a lot of engagement from shoppers since launching Explore. And they are increasing, they're actually tripling the amount of buyers who are eligible to see Explore when they're shopping. So that means over 450,000 Etsy shoppers have the potential of engaging with your videos, which will help send more traffic to your listings and to your shop. So if you have access to Explore, I suggest that you jump on the bandwagon. And in this video today, we're going to specifically talk about how Etsy is actually cropping your videos that you are creating on your smartphone and how they are actually displayed inside this feature and inside the app. So let's jump right into that. I recently had a student who reached out to me and said, hey, I'm jumping on the Explore bandwagon, but my videos, I'm recording the videos, I'm adding text to them, I go to upload them and they're getting cut off. So what do I do? So here we go. So this here is a video that I ended up taking on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I did a screenshot of the actual video as it was playing so that I could snag it, bring it in here, and just confirm and show you guys that videos shot on your iPhone, which currently I do not believe that it's changed, but when Etsy launched the Explore feature about 2 months ago, they did say that it was only available to iOS users. So we're talking specifically iPhone here right now. So we're going to we're inside Photoshop Elements, and we're going to hit the crop tool, and I have it set to 16:9 just to show you guys that this video is displaying, and ignore the black marks. Okay, the actual video in itself is a 16:9 aspect ratio. So what I went ahead and did was I grabbed a screenshot of the previous video that I did when Liz came in and she showed us her access to Explore and what the feed looked like. So I went ahead and screenshotted that. So this right here is how it is displaying inside of Explore. So I went ahead and already tested this, so I already know what it is. But it appears that Etsy is displaying their videos in a 5:4 aspect ratio as well. If you want to get very specific, it's actually a 4:5 because we're looking at width times height, and it's done in vertical/portrait type style. So they kind of seem to be going with the same thing that they're doing with images. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put 4:5 into the dimensions. Okay, and I'm going to show you here how it is displaying as a 4:5 aspect ratio. Okay, that's what it's going to look like when you upload to Explore. So let's go back to this image, and I want to show you guys how your video is going to get cut. So if we still take the 4:5, okay, and we are going to assume, and yes, I'm making assumptions, but Etsy pulls from the center outward when they resize images. So I am going to assume that's what they do with video as well. So if we're going to center that, again, we're ignoring the black down here and the black up here. It's going to cut out this portion of your video and this portion of your video. And that's a pretty significant amount. So moving forward, if you are creating videos for the Explore feature inside of Etsy, and you're creating them on your iPhone, which will have a video aspect ratio of 16:9, Etsy is going to crop that video to a 5:4 aspect ratio, or more specifically, a 4:5 Okay, 4, 5 here. And it's going to cut out a good portion of your video. So moving forward, you want to make sure that if you're creating videos for Explore, that you're keeping your product and everything that's important are right in the center. And if you're going to add text overlay, same thing. You want to make sure that you're not putting it all the way at the top and you're not putting it all the way at the bottom. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to learn more about taking your own product photos for your handmade shop. What if I could save you at least $500 by showing you how to take better product photos with the smartphone you already have instead of investing in an expensive, difficult to use DSLR camera? Save your spot today for the Take Better Product Photos with Your Smartphone 5-Day Challenge. See you there. Link in the description below this video. Handmade is you.